We can see the message thread in the middle of the screen with the timestamps and the communication channel used. We are now located in the All panel. Here, we can see all the information about the communication with the end users, such as status of the message, queues and routes used, message itself, name of the end user. If the end user is new and unknown, the phone number will be displayed, and other. In the replies panel, only the messages between the agent and the end user will be displayed. In the notes, we can see the internal notes an agent created for the specific conversation. Events. Events panel shows information of all the events related to the conversation, such as status change, queue change, assignment change, and so on. Over here, we can see the communication channel used, in this case WhatsApp, and if needed, if the end user requests it, we can always change channels. And on the right side, the phone number, or in other words, the sender of an end user, will be displayed. Let's reply to David by using the predefined templates. We will navigate to the lightning bolt icon and select the welcome template, and then choose Send. Heidi will say, "Hi David, my name is Heidi. How can I help you?" Besides sending templates, agents can also send the emoji, share the location, attach documents, generate a call link, WebRTC, and others. David sent another message, and Heidi will assist him by asking for more information about the phone. While waiting for the reply, Heidi will go to the Conversations context card and choose Conversations forms that Massimo, the supervisor, created, and she will choose the warranty claim. In there, she will fill the form with the information David provides. David says it is the iPhone 15, and now Heidi needs to input that information. Next important information Heidi would need is the order number. And now Heidi would probably check the status of the order and then give the information back to David. Another message from David arrived, letting Heidi know that he changed his home address. To update that information in our People CDP, Customer Data Platform, Heidi needs to go to Customer Context Card and simply update the information there. David is now asking for support over the video call. To be able to connect with David, Heidi needs to send him the call link, and she will do that right now by navigating to Generate Call Link, clicking on it, and then pressing Send. And this is it. It couldn't be easier than that. All Heidi needs to do now is to wait for the call from David.